We got storms coming for North Lewisburg. Mama's coming to Papa. Mama is coming to Papa. Mama's coming to me. Here it comes. We're getting up close in contact. This is what it looks like in my bag. I had to wait. I didn't want to get this man on video. This is literally what it looks like in the back. The clouds are getting dark, and I'm ready for some thunder photos. Probably some hail. I don't know. We'll have to find out. Yep. Well, welcome back to May 26th. Or March 26th, my bad. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside until this thing actually starts raining, and I'm gonna finish my song. Here comes the downpour.
Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in
We gotta take some thunder photos.
Tuesday, mostly
It's
sunny.
at the back of our house as well.
Mid-60s.
It looks way worse back there.
There is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison.
Emergency alert. You gotta be kidding me, 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 gotta be kidding me. What is it?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Champaign County, Logan County, until 8:45.
Yeah, I think I understand that.
At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jackson Center, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
Tornado warning for
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, Urbana, St. Paris, West Liberty, North Lewisburg, Russell's Point, DeGraff, Lakeview, Bell Center.
That's my area. Oh my goodness, I didn't know that. Oh shoot, now it's starting to come down.
Valley High, Zanesfield, Cable, and Westville. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms.
Good news. This thing don't go off.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 80%. Wednesday, partly cloudy. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign.
God, we already got the warning.
And Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the.
All right, let's go ahead and take some thunder photos.
Large hail and damage.
This is on my phone. Get a little dry, and then I'll
Mostly cloudy
take more
and 77.
photos.
In Lancaster Fair and 77. At Newark Fair and 78. Up in Cleveland, mostly cloudy and 74. Down in Cincinnati, mostly cloudy and 77. And over in Dayton, a thunderstorm and 73.
Okay. Ah, shoot. It does not look good here.
Remember, a severe
I'm in my
thunderstorm
mom's
watch
car right
means
now.
the conditions
It's
are
not
favorable for
good.
the development of
The
severe
scene-
weather,
the scene is
including
not
large
good.
hail and damaging winds in and
Large
close to
hail
the
is
watched
not
area.
good.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
It's gonna start hard.
Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio:
I got barely any photos.
Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene.
I have only 2.
Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Now here is a hazardous weather outlook for east central Indiana, southeast Indiana, central Ohio,
Calm the
south central
storm a little
Ohio,
bit.
southwest
Let me
Ohio,
take some
and west
thunder
central
photos.
Ohio. For this afternoon and tonight, scattered thunderstorms are possible this evening. A few severe thunderstorms are possible with damaging wind gusts the primary threat. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Scattered thunderstorms are possible Wednesday afternoon into the evening. A few severe thunderstorms are possible with damaging wind gusts the primary threat. Spotter activation is not expected
I
at
should
this
probably
time.
go inside if we're gonna have hail.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Champaign County, Logan County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jackson Center, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles.
Let
is
it be
possible.
calm.
Expect wind damage to trees
To
and
thee.
power lines. Locations impacted include
In the name of
House,
Jesus, let it be
Urbana,
calm.
St. Paris, West Liberty, North Lewisburg, Russell's Point, DeGraff, Lakeview, Bell Center, West Mansfield, Chippewa Park, Northwood, Quincy, Rush, Sylvania, Huntsville, Ridgeway, Valley High, Zanesfield, Cable, and Westville. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers with a slight chance of
Alright, we're
thunderstorms.
gonna try.
The severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Shelby, northwestern Champaign, and western Logan counties is canceled. The storms have moved out of Shelby County. An additional severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for Champaign and Logan counties.
No, duh.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in
I don't
effect until
you
11 p.m.
think?
for west central Ohio. Please report previous wind damage or hail to the National Weather Service by going to our website at weather.gov/.
You know what?
Submitting your report via
We're gonna go
social
out there and
media.
take thunder photos.
Now,
That's the plan. We gotta get into my
Thursday
house
night,
safely and out of this
showers likely with a
car.
chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Unseasonably warm with lows in the upper 50s.
We gotta get this radio too.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Friday.
Get some
partly cloudy
lightning
in the
on
morning,
record.
then clearing. Highs in the upper 70s. Friday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 60s. Saturday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers in the morning, then mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
And these are the supercells we were supposed to be expecting. I saw this on the College of DuPage's weather radio thingy. So I was kind of ready for this thing. But we gotta remember God's word in Philippians 4:13. It says, "For I can do all things through him who gives me strength." He also tells us not to fear. Let's go ahead and pack me and this radio up. Is that a quarter? Did we freaking just slam a quarter into our... Okay, we gotta take some lightning videos. We gotta take a lightning video. We got formation, I think, going on. And if I'm wrong, then that's a good thing. Either A, one of these clouds are gonna form into a tornado, or B, one of these clouds are forming into a tornado right now and we don't know it. And it's just slow. But if there's a cloud forming a tornado right now, I have to believe it's that one. That don't look like a normal cloud to me. It's dying off now. We got no hail. We're starting to see the town more. And we're getting another storm at 3 in the morning. So I guess I'll be chasing that one too. And hopefully it's not a scam, as it was last night. I was supposed to chase the last night's storm, but it just never formed. Well, I'm guessing that's all for today's severe thunderstorm, because this one's about to move out of the warned area. It moved out of Shelby. It's about to move out of this area. Oh, that's a tornado. Oh, shoot. That's definitely a tornado, so whoever's getting this storm next, good luck. I see a rotating funnel, like right over here, right there. I think these clouds are going to be gone before a tornado forms. Well, ain't this a... That's my weather radio. What does that say? That's not a tornado warning, is it? I don't know, I'll check. I better get off the road. I hear a car coming, so...